What's going on, guys? We had a customer drop off his brand new 2024 GMC 3500 HD for a big old makeover. Now, I heard a pallet of CST goodies has landed, so let's get back in the shop and see what they sent us. All right, we got the truck in the shop and we've got some of the lift kit components out here on the table so we can check them out. Before we talk about the lift in particular, let's talk about CST as a company. Now, CST is similar to SDHQ in the sense that we value the quality of American-made parts. This whole lift is manufactured by CST in-house in California. They've got their welding and fabrication all done there. Here at SDHQ, we appreciate that. We love the R&D that goes into these kits. Now, let's talk about the kit in particular. We've got a 4-inch stage 6 system for this GM truck. This is gonna come with all of our boxed fabricated cross members to keep the torsions in the stock location for maximum clearance. And because this kit requires no welding, you can fully return your truck back to stock if you want to. This kit also includes a steel skid plate to help protect your front diff and fabricated upper control arms to help get this thing back into proper angles. The kit comes with the ability to run your stock factory shocks up front, but we opted to go with their upgraded remote reservoir shocks instead. Now I'm gonna get out of the way, let the guys get back to work and get this kit on the truck. I'll see you when she's all done. And behind me, there's the finished product. That CST 4-inch lift and a set of method wheels really transformed the look on this truck. And with those new nitrogen charged shocks, this truck actually rides better than it did straight from the factory. Now, CST does a great job with their R&D, and driving over here, there were no lights because we are fully GM StabiliTrak approved. And we didn't lose any ability to be a truck. We maintained all of our load capacity and ability to use this thing for whatever you want to use it for. Now, if you guys are looking to get your GM hooked up, make sure to reach out to us at help@sdhqoffroad.com. Like always, appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.